Did you see those peak wind gusts yesterday in Boulder? 100 plus mile per hour gusts recorded there at the Mesa Labs. 90 plus mile per hour wind gusts in downtown Boulder. It was wild. A little bit of a break today, although still breezy conditions. We can continue to track breezy conditions. Those winds are going to kick up once again tonight into tomorrow morning, and certainly tomorrow afternoon into Saturday morning. Again, we are looking at those gusts west of the metro area, really just west of the I-25 corridor, Broomfield, Boulder, Jefferson counties, once again, Larimer counties, Weld counties. Those winds are really going to kick up tomorrow afternoon. We're talking about 80 plus mile per hour wind gusts once again. Xcel Energy again announcing that it will likely preemptively shut down power in some areas tomorrow. We are going to continue to track that. We're certainly going to track those winds gusting. We have a high wind watch in effect for those areas as well, and those winds will continue into Saturday morning, lightening up by Saturday afternoon as we head into Sunday. But yeah, tomorrow is going to be another windy one and warm, as temperatures climbed about 70 degrees, so unusually warm. We're going to get some of that compressional heating with those downsloping winds, but boy, those winds are going to get strong. It's certainly going to be another hold on to your hat day.